Hello and welcome to Proceq UT8000 Tutorial 8, Gates. Following actions are possible on the completion of this tutorial. You'll know how to position the gates. We can look at the trigger options for the gates. We'll activate the auto gain of a signal, how to put an alarm on a gate, and to lock gates. So how to move and position the gates. The gates are positioned by touch controls directly on the A-scan. See, I can pick one of them. If I hold the center, I will move the height and the position. If I hold each ends, I can change the start and end position. Trigger options for the gates. Trigger options for the gates can be found in the display menu. We have three options: first peak, which is the first peak within the gate range, the highest peak, which is the highest peak above or below the gate, and then the J flank. That's where the gate crosses the signal and they interact. See closely when we zoom in, you can see the difference between J flank, first peak, and highest peak. Using auto gain. All options are in the sensitivity menu. First, select which amplitude you would like the signal to be shown, and then select the gate which you wish to apply this setting. So if we go to the sensitivity menu, if we want to raise the signal up to 80%, we can drag the slider to 80. We can also hit the box to have an accurate one, and then press Auto Gate 1, OK. You'll see that that's then raised that signal to 80% in that particular time slot. So still within my time rewind, I can change the signal. If I want to move now the gate 2 to 40%, you see I hit gate 2 OK, and it reduces it to 40%. Setting up alarms. The alarm options are in the Preferences menu. See, I can select my alarm for gate 1. I have three options: off, positive, and negative. Positive is if the alarm has been triggered. So, for example, in this case, I have a gate being triggered. If the gate wasn't being triggered, it would sound the alarm, and that's the negative option. I can change the volume, and I can change for both gates on alarm 1 and 2. Locking the gate position. To lock the gates so they cannot be moved by gestures, find the option in the Evaluation menu. See, we have a toggle switch to lock gate 1 and lock gate 2. I lock gate 2, I cannot move it. I just simply tap to unlock, and then I can move the gates again. You now know about the gates. Thank you.